Hi everyone, today we talk about voidness or emptiness in Chinese, kōng, kōng. So this emptiness also comes from Buddhism. In Heart Sutra, that's a famous quote, form is emptiness and emptiness is form. So when you are able to reach an empty state of mind through meditation, it's like you're kind of enlightened, you're 得到. So kōng also has other meanings. When you say you have kōng, 你有空, which means you're free, you're available. Or tiankong, kōng here also means like sky. Tiankong is an empty sky. So let's see how this character is written here. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.